Hello, my name is Allyn Mark, and this is Industry Visions, an international industrial news show that spotlights the lofty endeavors of American industry, repatriating manufacturing and warehousing in the United States, creating new American jobs and new success opportunities. Our special guest, the Chief Operating Officer of Harrington Hoist, Mr. Carlo Lonardi. Carlo,
thank you.
welcome.
Thank you very much. What a warm welcome.
Thank you very much. And Carlo, may I say, I would like to be the first to wish you congratulations to your ascendancy as Chief Operating Officer.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
Now, Carlo, this repatriation of manufacturing and warehousing, we're here in Mannheim, Pennsylvania today, but there's a brand new expansion happening in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania.
Yes, sir, and it's all stems from what we've talked about many times in the past, and that's the growth that we've had in the North American markets. Basically in threefold. We've expanded our revolution that we always talk about by gaining market share, and we continue to do that. We've also added a number of new products as our second tier of our growth strategy, and third was the bringing of Keto Americas, which is the expansion into the Mexico, Central, and South American markets, which has been going very well. All that equals growth, and that puts pressure on your manufacturing side. You combine that with the new global strategies of Keto to decentralize some of the manufacturing for some of the products that are currently manufactured under the Keto umbrella in Japan. We're going to bring those to the United States. That's where Elizabethtown comes in.
Now, let me ask this, Carlo, will the Standardmannheim Pennsylvania Harrington plant still exist?
Oh, absolutely. That's our headquarters plant, and we have our headquarters offices and all of our functions located there, as well as in Corona, California. We have a assembly and operation out in Corona, California. We will still have our fabrication and assembly plant, final finishing plant in Mannheim, Pennsylvania. That's not moving at this time. This is a additional expansion into Elizabethtown.
Basically, this assembly line process that we're seeing here today, this is going to be expanding in Elizabethtown?
Absolutely. This is the start. This is the fourth and fifth processes for our manual products that was brought to the United States about 6 months ago. And we've been up and operating. We're now going to take this and expand it to a full manufacturing or a repatriation of manufacturing, which takes the products. We're going to source all the components here in the United States, bring them to the facility, and then we're going to fully assemble them, finish those goods, and then ship them out of that operation. And that's where we needed additional space on top of those growth initiatives. We're going to put that in Elizabethtown. We leased a 100,000 square foot operation down there, basically tripling the size of what we have currently. We're going to close down a number of leases that we have in the Mannheim area, centralize those into this Elizabethtown manufacturing facility, and then institute this new line into that facility. And we're hoping to have that all up and running here in the next couple months.
Now, this is obviously going to create some new American jobs. It's welcome news in this country.
Absolutely. We are starting from the ground up with these folks here that we put in these fourth and fifth processes, which we moved those from Japan. And then it's the next step here as we add those. We're going to add a number of new jobs that will be located down in this new facility.
Carlo, you've had a long-standing, wonderful relationship with Keto Corporation. How does this new expansion of manufacturing and warehousing affect that relationship?
It's been fantastic. As you know, Keto Corporation owns Harrington Hoist, and as we're part of the Keto Group, we're a key part of it with our growth initiatives. It's expanded that relationship immensely, as Keto has put the trust in our engineering and our facilities here to take on some of their core manufacturing, and that quality level is second to none. So we're going to take that all on here in the United States. So we're really excited about that process. And that's not the end of it, Al. We're going from these core products, and we're going to add additional products as well as we continue to move forward in that facility.
The expansion of the revolution, right?
Absolutely. It's a global expansion, a global Keto initiative to move manufacturing or decentralize that manufacturing in protection against currency fluctuations and bringing that raw manufacturing closer to the large North American customers.
I want to say special thanks to our special guest, Mr. Carlo Lonardi, Chief Operating Officer of Harrington Hoist.
Thank you very much, Al. It was a pleasure being here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Carlo. For American Industry, my name is Allyn Mark for Industry Visions. Goodbye.